If you follow me, you probably have seen videos of me with my dear friends, and some people are freaking out over the ticks, and they have a point since we had a mild winter and this season they're back with a vengeance. So for everyone's peace of mind, I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade recipe for tick repellent. Add 1 cup of distilled water to a spray bottle, followed by 2 cups of white vinegar, and add 2 spoonfuls of vegetable or almond oil, which both contain sulfur, or coconut oil, which has lauric acid, and they're both natural tick repellents. Ticks hate the smell and taste of vinegar, and they will be repelled by this ingredient alone. But if you're like me and you hate vinegar as much as the ticks, I have another option. Fill a spray bottle with witch hazel, and for every ounce add 7 drops of Geranium Essential Oil, 4 drops of peppermint or eucalyptus, tea tree, lemons, or citronella, or any combination of the above, 4 drops of thyme or garlic oil, and 4 drops of cedar-wood or lavender oil. The good thing is that this smells good and helps keep mosquitos away too. Avoid using perfumes when you go outdoors, and if you still get a tick, soak it in hydrogen peroxide for an easy release. Take care and enjoy the summer.